loves, and welcome to my channel, Honestly Nicole. So today I'm going to do a quick little eyeshadow tutorial on the one and the only Conspiracy Eyeshadow Palette by Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson. So I have a cute little story about this palette. This actually came out a few years ago. It was November of 2019. It was really hard to find and went viral. People were going crazy trying to get this palette. But a good friend of mine, Jenny, wanted to get me something special for starting my YouTube channel, and she gave me this Conspiracy eyeshadow palette, because it's one of her favorite palettes. So I'm so grateful for her friendship. So let's get started. So today, I'm going to actually just do more of the neutral colors. I need to play around with some of the bright colors, but try to give it a bold, smoky look. So I'm actually going to do most of my colors with the top row here. And first I'm going to start with the Tanacon. The Tanacon is right here. And I'm just going to get this little eyeshadow brush right here. And I'm going to go, oh, and first let me tell you, I did prime my eyes already with the MAC. It's the Paint Pot in Bear Study. Love this primer. It's lasted forever, and just a little bit goes a long ways. And I'm going to take the Tanacon here and start in the crease, just right above the crease here. And just kind of blend upward. But neutrals have always been one of my favorite eye looks. I do need to play around with some of the bright colors, as I just mentioned, for maybe a fun night out. Nice. Love this color. And again, just kind of flick up, blend upward. I mentioned before in my videos, I have hooded eyes, so I really have to work hard with blending everything in well. Okay, next I'm going to go in just below this upper crease here with the Diet Root Beer. Love these names. These are so cute. And I'm going to take a different brush here. It's a little more rounded on the ends. And I'm just going to go in kind of below that crease there. Just really blend. Nice. Okay. Let's go to the other eye. Today is actually Memorial Day. Got the family home. It's a gorgeous hot day outside here in Nashville. So we're going to get back outside after a while and play. Let the dogs out. We really need to do a little bit more yard work, but I just feel like playing today, doing my little video. Okay, so next I'm going to go to the lower lid, and I want to use just a theory. I'm going to use this wider brush here for the lower lid. I'll go with this eye first. I'm just going to kind of dab that in. Love the pigments in this eyeshadow palette. Ooh. So pretty. just like that. Love it. Okay, I'm gonna kind of get into the crease, or the corner actually. And then once we get everything in place, I'm gonna blend everything in a little bit better here. So next I'm gonna go in the outer corner of my eyes here. This is the spiraling, and it's also a metallic. I'm gonna take a smaller brush here. I love the little designs on this palette. They're so cute. The names. Okay. And I'm just gonna kind of go in a little circular motions here. Just like that. Kind of bring it down on the corner just a little bit more. So pretty, love that. Okay. Just like so. Okay. All right, so let's go to the upper lid here, just below my eyebrow. I'm gonna get a smaller brush here, and I'm gonna go with my peels, again on the top row here. This is just kind of a flat, kind of a, almost a light beigey pink color. And I'm gonna go just below the brow, kind of on the outer corner. All right, perfect. Okay, and then I'm going to take my fingertip, and I'm going to go with this bottom color. It's called Sleep Paralysis. Cute. This one right here with the star. Nice. See that pigment? How pretty. All right, and I'm just going to dab on my lower lid, just kind of right there in the center. Again, just kind of stay right in the center here. Beautiful. Love, love, love these colors. Okay, so now I just need to kind of blend everything in really well. So I'm going to take one of my fluffy brushes again and just kind of blend and flick up. All right, and so now I'm going to take my little small brush here again, and I'm going to go in with Ranch at the top, and it's just kind of a shimmery white, and I'm going on the very inner corners of my eye here just to give it a little pop. And then I'm just going to kind of blend this in as well. All right, so let's kind of go in again on the crease of my eye. I'm going to take this little small brush, and I'm going to go back in with Diet Root Beer and just kind of deepen that up just a little bit more here. All right, so now we need to take it to my lower lash line. Love it. All right, so the first color on the lower lash line, I'm gonna do that Diet Root Beer. And just kind of go all along across the bottom. Tend to want to stretch my mouth out when I'm doing that. I don't know why, but I think we all do when we're getting around the lashes and the lash line. Okay, very pretty. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of a darker color, and this one is just kind of a little smudge kind of brush here. And I'm gonna go back in with that spiraling. And I'm just gonna take it to the outer corner of my lash line. Kind of gives it a little bit of that smoky eye. And let's do that on the top as well. Okay, and then I'm just going to take my big brush here and just kind of blend all that in on the lower. There you go. Okay, so I'm gonna go apply some lashes and a little bit of eyeliner and some lipstick, and I'll come back and show you the final results. Okay, so I've added some lashes and some eyeliner and lipstick to complete this look, but I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did, had fun playing around with it. No, this is not my everyday look, but it's a fun look for just a night out on the town. As I said before, please leave some comments below. Just let me know what you think about this video and maybe give me some ideas of what you would like to see next. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and we hope to see you soon. Thanks.
Body, 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 body.